This is like this is a directional, so this isn't like if I talk directly into it, it's going to be better. But it's going to be feed from that.
Right.
Okay, so
So do we still need the mixer then? No.
no, I don't think so. Um, okay, so this one.
Because you can either use this splitter or you can go straight into the mixer, right?
That does have
See,
HDMI. Yeah.
4 channels, right?
You want to try doing it?
This
This-
the other
this
one.
goes-
Instead of using this one, you can use this one and try. With the power.
Oh, I just realized we weren't spraying over. That'll be okay.
We could have used this, right? Because that one we have a problem with the audio. Where is the? I'm sorry. Is this? Can I pick this up? Oh no.
Which one? That's probably for this. That's for this. You take it out.
We can. Okay.
Where's the input?
Okay, the next thing. So there's the 1, 2, 3. Is this? Yeah, this is output, right? Yes.
Yeah, this is video. Okay.
Videoing.
Power. There's a screen.
Isn't this a video out?
That should be.
This is
Video in.
this is video in. So there's
Video
only one
out,
video
so-
out. So there's only one video out.
No, there should be 1, 2.
No, this is PD.
Oh, it's power. What is that?
So the thing is, we want out, right? We want 4 out.
Yeah.
So
So
this
if we
is
do
a-
video out from this to this, I don't know.
We still have a
No.
problem, right? No, you guys
I don't need it. We don't need it.
You only want audio? If you want, if we do only audio, we can do audio.
Yeah, we don't need this one.
There's audio out.
Now we don't need this. I thought this is video out. This is not video out.
No.
I don't need it. No.
Oh, this is basically a hardware version of OBS.
Yeah.
So I don't know if it's necessary. But
No, it's not necessary.
I'm surprised it's not giving me the option. So.
It's interesting. It's okay. We don't need
This
this.
probably has a bunch of what do you call it?
No, we don't need
So let's try doing this one more time.
it. Wait a second.
Yep. You can't see it. Yep. There we go. Okay. There we go.
No.
The chain. The chain proper.
Oh, you're right. Yeah. Okay. So you would change that to.
No? No.
It should be. That's the virtual one.
What?
Virtual is it's just like a plugin. It's not really. It's like a virtual cable from OBS to another app. It's not really. It's just sort of app stuff, which I don't think this thing does audio. I'm almost positive. Because when we directly do it from here, it's fine. There's no issue. So the only other thing I can think of is doing this. And this might kill the laptop, but oh well.
So you talk to all of
It might not actually let us do it. It could.
Oh, the other thing too is we are also using projector They'll be using projector as well.
Okay.
They
Um,
requested for projector means that they're going to use projector.
yeah. And do we have to do it off of this computer, or can we do it off of a different computer? Is it audio, do you think, or is it just like slides?
I think just nice.
If it's just slides and there's no audio, we could easily run it off a different laptop. Because then we don't have to like have dongles on dongles.
Right.
No.
Yeah.
And then something.
But my question is that, are we able to capture this over the screen?
Like record it? Oh yeah. OBS will record internally. So while everything's going, I can just record it.
Yeah, because they're going to, like, if they're going to use the projector, means they're going to have slides. So
Are you saying?
running
Oh, I see what you're saying. That's not complicated.
Well, if it's too difficult, we don't have to worry about it. It's only for local, like whoever can see. We don't have to worry too much if it's too difficult.
I mean, I can video the slide, but it won't look that great.
Yeah.
Okay, well.
So how is it now? Have we sorted out the video, the audio?
We can get video and audio to that monitor, no
Okay.
problem.
So
but
if we
there's
can get to
only-
one, then are we able to do the rest? Do we know?
Well, that's what I'm trying to sort out, because we have one. But the splitter doesn't work for audio. It only does video. So I could split my video 4 times, but I can't do any audio.
Then how do we get the audio over just now?
Well, it's only one. It's going from just this to that. We're bypassing the splitter. So I'm trying to use this splitter because then I can at least get 2.
Oh, we need 3.
But this doesn't do audio. That's why I was hoping that soundboard had it, but no.
The soundboard only have 1 out. It doesn't have 4 out. I thought it was 4 out.
For all?
No, there's only 1 out.
We can
So it's
rent
4
one.
in.
We can rent one probably that has it.
Yeah, we need 2.
Because if we rent one, we could probably get so we can rent it.
Can we do a Comcast? Can we try a Comcast?
I don't have it.
Oh,
The
okay.
Chromecast, like on this building, it's lagging on the Wi-Fi pretty bad.
It is.
But it's going to be sold, and I'm going to be plugged in hardline. My
Right.
problem is when I'm plugged in hardline, I'm going to be sucking bandwidth hard.
Yes.
Because like I only have one, but when I have like 2 or 3 cameras hooked up, you know what I mean? And the other thing is too, I could easily get away with just one camera, and I can just manually move the camera around,
Yeah.
and that might be worth it.
I'm thinking because especially if you're up front, there's no point having more than 1 camera.
Because normally what I do,
Especially if the speaker is in front, right?
yeah.
So basically, you're just going to have either this way or turn around.
Well, normally I have this, right? And the camera sits up on top of it.
Yep.
And then I can move it around. It's not as clean, but for all intents and purposes. You know what I mean? Because I'm probably not gonna move it that much. I'll probably actually just zoom it, which is not bad at all. So, It's really weird that it's not that splitter. I think the splitter maybe has some sort of something.
Online, that doesn't show anything on the menu. It's just a regular.
It says audio online, but I don't know if it's the correct manual.
Let me see, what is this? More.
Are you trying to do it off of this one? See if it'll play off this one, because this is the one. No work. What's that? No work. This one? This one. It won't work. No work. Other one is will work. Huh. This might be an issue then. I'm honestly at the point of just bringing my tower in. Just bring a giant PC. The only problem is it's loud because I have server fans on it.
I remember the working the audio.
I don't know why the audio's not.
Yeah, one.
Huh?
I remember one.
It could work on one.
Yeah.
Then we just have to plug in. Is this plugged in? Yeah. Okay. So if you can get this thing to work, this one was the cat, right? No.
No.
It was. What was it? Kali. No, that's the virtual cable. We could try it, but it won't. It worked. Hold on, we might be in business. But why isn't it coming up from this? So we have to find the microphone. Zoom H6 properties. Listen to this advice. Okay. Yeah, okay. Then we're good. It'll work. I think it was working. You just had to. I don't know how did you know how to do that? I've never had to use that option before.
Which one?
You were having to like go into the microphone properties, like sound options for each microphone thing.
So the sound can actually carry on.
Yeah, it's carrying right now. Test 1, 2. Test. That's a little loud.
Test 1 2. Test 1 2.
So it was the computer itself. The laptop. So it's from here that you have to change the microphone.
Yeah.
Yeah, why do you have to change property?
I don't know. That's why I was confused. He knew how to do it, but it works. But anything that comes from this will work.
If I put in another TV,
You want to try it?
yeah, I try. I have another TV.
Okay.
The audio is the
What's that?
the audio.
Mhm.
The audio is
Anything that's plugged into here. So the pulpit, the walk around mic, anything will go in here, and then it will come to your TV.
okay.
So
The
it'll work.
inside the input audio is the aux.
No, it's this.
Okay.
So it's coming from this. So we'll have like a microphone hooked up like this.
Yeah.
What? That's Ethernet. Okay.
Okay.
But it'll be plugged in.
Oh yeah, yeah.
And then I can just set in my options.
Yeah. Okay. It makes good.
So it'll work. Really hoping.
It's nice.
How much? This was 600. Yeah, 600. But it's we have our own videography company, so I use it all the time. Like, this thing has been run through.
You have it?
What's that?
You have the audio company?
The what?
You have audio company?
No. Oh, okay. I usually end up doing it, which is, yeah, I've never done this before, but we usually do like separate recording. So this, I'll have a bunch of mics hooked up to it and I'll hit record. And then when I'm running the video camera, I run the camera independently of it. And then in post, I put them all together. So it's annoying sometimes. But my other camera has like 4 audio inputs on it as well by itself. So,
Right.
do we need to hook that up?
Oh, we can do that. I was thinking-
Or do you have a shorter one?
Yeah, I was thinking of using a short one.
I think I ended up using a shorter one already.
I have it. We have it. I have it.
You have one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Too short.
I have a too mini display.
I just want to make sure that we have it back.
Hmm?
Perfect. It doesn't matter which one.
Well, my wife's oh no.
Not working.
What's that for? Oh, for
On
this?
this. Yeah.
Yeah, it'll work. This is input though.
Uh,
Output, we can do line out here. Oh, you're seeing if you can go directly from this?
Yeah.
You can, if you do line out. It's okay. I mean, if it's coming off the TV, what would you prefer, like TV or just only audio?
No. The audio is this for the cell phone.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. The output audio, input, and check.
Oh, okay.
And work.
We'll do this first and then we'll do that. Sorry.
No signal.
What's that?
What input? Is it HDMI 1? That's true.
Nothing. See if we can make things with this.
Thank you.
It's also possible that HDMI is faulty. HDMI's fail all the time. Because it still registers getting the connection, but it's not. Like we could try one big fat cable.
Oh, what?
Yeah. Okay. So try that.
Is that correct?
Okay, so it'll work.
Just we want to make sure that.
Okay, so yeah, we're good then.
We're good. Sort this out.
As far as, hold on, let me try one thing.
So you directly, you're not using Zoom, you're directly using this direct camera input, right?
For
You
This?
direct video, yeah. You direct video input into, you're not using Zoom.
we're using OBS to go to these TVs.
Yeah, straight away using OBS go straight.
Yeah, and then OBS is also going to YouTube Studio. Okay, so let's see if this picks up that,
I think,
which I don't.
so you send me the link when you, even though we have the same channel, if you have OBS, you can use two live stream on the same machine.
Yeah,
But
because
you can, but in this case, YSA is on the same different machine. It works. It should work too. It's not a problem
yeah,
because we just run it from the other machine, right? So that's why.
yeah. Because when we do the output on here, like ESR one or whatever,
Yeah.
I would just make a double basically.
Yeah. That's the reason why they say you're making sure your machine is powerful enough. You're able to do the
I
process.
mean, I'm not using that much. I'm only using 90% of CPU. Oh, that's what's going on here. It says it's using 100%, but it says it's using 10%. I mean, I'm also it's still gonna blow hard, like it's pushing hard, right?
Yeah.
But
So we're good. We're good.
I think it's using all the CPU because it's using the internal graphics and the external graphics. So it's really not using all the CPU,
Right.
it's just using the APU as well because it has both. I mean, if it didn't work, I would just bring my tower.
The streaming support or no?
What's that?
The
streaming's
streaming.
working.
Yeah.
I
I
can
need
double
to check.
check. Do you want to double check?
Yes.
Okay.
You can send us a link.
So let's go.
Send it to WhatsApp.
He doesn't have the WhatsApp. Can you put him in the WhatsApp group?
Yep.
Uh,
What's your number?
604. Oh, my number.
I'll
Is-
send you the number.
Which what? Hold on. I'm not in this chat, am I?
You are? Wasn't it?
What the heck? Who is this?
Okay. What's your number?
Oh, this is Danielle's. That's why this is so weird.
What I just said, yeah.
Log out.
The number 604?
For the WhatsApp?
No, just. Oh, you have WhatsApp?
Yeah, I have the WhatsApp.
Oh, you have WhatsApp? Okay.
WhatsApp or phone number here?
WhatsApp.
I have the.
WhatsApp.
Okay.
I don't think I invited you. Though. You're not in there.
No.
Yeah. So I have to add.
My phone WhatsApp is
Am I just give me a phone number?
no. This is
Says I.
no. That's plus
Huh?
plus
Oh, do you have the card?
not plus.
Okay, card. Okay.
There.
5 3 3 3 4 0 6 8
Okay.
3 3 1.
Wow.
He's a Mexican.
Oh,
Yeah, from Mexico. He's for the WhatsApp.
okay.
Saul Ferraro.
How do you spell?
SAUL. Space.
You told me you wanted to sit up there.
E.
No last name, right? Middle name. First name.
SEERR. A. N.
N or M?
N. O.
Oh, Serrano. Oh, last name. This is the last name.
Yeah, it's last name. Sorry. Okay, my phone is the here there.
Okay, just give me a second.
Okay. The latency is way lower now. Like the latency is much lower now. Like
Have a number?
Our number is 604
Mhm.
401 29
So this is your mobile. The other one is I just pull out
Because
this
you can use WhatsApp without registered phone number.
right. So I think so the reason why it's easy for me to head up at this point was I have everything there, right? Good, awesome. So you send a link to it?
Yeah, it's running right now.
Okay.
Understood.
Yeah. Because
Yeah. So like, yeah. So it is running now. It's
Yeah.
And we're getting it on that TV at the same time. Test 1, 2. On the phone. Yeah. Now let's just turn that TV way up a little more. This? Yeah. Test 1, 2. Yeah. I don't know why. When we were trying it before, we thought it wasn't working for the phone, but really it was lagging by like 5+ minutes. We were like, what?
You mean the audio?
The audio and the video. We were like, what is going on? We couldn't figure it out. And we were like, it's on there, and we're trying it on our phone, and we're like, what's going on? What's going on? And then all of a sudden the phone starts going off. And we're like, we said that like a while ago. It was really weird.
And you have a direct HDMI connection too.
Well, I mean for the phone, but